Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford Fusion. Stock number is 18F57A. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end, and we're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.